Many employees don't understand complex tax calculations made by their companies, and they often question these deductions. According to tax specialist Tosen, there are 5 key things an employee needs to understand when it comes to their tax. Firstly, it makes no difference whether the company uses a cost to company or a basic plus remuneration structure. According to Tosen, when converting a company payroll from basic plus to cost to company, neither the employee nor the business should be worse off in the end. Secondly, your entire income is not taxed according to your current marginal tax rate. South Africa has a progressive tax system. This means an employee's total remuneration is divided into several portions called tax brackets. The first portion is taxed at the lowest tax rate of 18% and subsequent portions at progressively higher rates, up to 45%. For example, for the 2022 year of assessment, a worker earning above 467,500 per annum is taxed at 36% only on the portion exceeding that base amount. Portions below that base are taxed according to their lower associated marginal tax rate. It's actually more helpful to look at your average tax rate. Point number 3, because of the progressive tax system, if an increase pushes an employee's income into a higher tax bracket, only that portion exceeding the bracket's base amount will be taxed at the higher rate. Any amount below it continues to be taxed at the rates tied to each lower bracket. Point number 4, your annual bonus is taxed as part of your total income. Employees are taxed on their total yearly earnings, which can include a bonus or other benefits. While their bonus may increase their total annual earnings and may even push them into a higher tax bracket, companies typically factor this into their calculations in advance. And finally, SARS offers 3 age-rated rebates, but most working people only qualify for the first, namely the primary rebate. For the current tax year, everyone below the age of 65 receives a rebate of 15,714 Rand. Those over 65 receive an additional 8,613 Rand, and those over 75 get another 2,871 Rand off their annual tax bill. The rebate is increased each year to offset inflation. Your tax return can be more complicated if you have additional income or even capital gains, in which case it's best to seek professional advice, as SARS does not consider ignorance a defense. If you haven't subscribed yet, do so now. Push that subscribe button so that you don't miss any more brilliant financial tips that are going to get you on track financially.